For the longest time, every time someone asks me for a gaming laptop recommendation, the Asus TUF gaming laptop lineup always comes into my mind and is always part of my top 5. The reason is that most of the time, the Asus TUF gaming laptop lineup provides a sought-after bang-for-the-buck option in terms of price-to-performance ratio. Granted, they probably won't offer all that bells and whistles, but they can definitely go head-to-head with flagship gaming laptops in terms of essential hardware specifications, while also offering the patented toughness the brand has been known for years. Personally, I only need a powerful processor for video editing and other content creation applications, decent discrete graphics for both casual and competitive gaming, an ample amount of memory and internal storage, and an outstanding display. Other things are just a bonus. All of these are present with the latest 2024 Asus TUF Gaming A16 laptop that we have here today. With that being said, let me share with you the 5 things that I like about it, so let's get into it. The specific variant that I have here is the FA607Pi-QT060W model, which features an AMD Ryzen 9 7845HX processor with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070, 16GB of RAM, and 1TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD. It also has a 16-inch WQXGA display with up to 165Hz refresh rate and 3 milliseconds response time in a new Meta 16:10 aspect ratio. By the way, as always, honest disclaimer, this video is in partnership with Asus to provide you with a quick look at this latest 2024 variant of the Asus TUF Gaming A16. So this will not be a full review. But rest assured that you'll get a good amount of detail about what to expect from this bang-for-the-buck gaming laptop. With that out of the way, here are the 5 essential things that check my boxes and a must-have if I'm the one to purchase a gaming laptop today. First impressions last, so of course, the first thing that strikes me the most about the Asus TUF Gaming A16 is its simple yet rugged look. As expected, this was designed and tested with toughness in mind, passing the MIL STD810H standards for vibration and impact resistance. This is ideal for traveling content creators, gamers, and even for work-on-the-go professionals. I like its minimal two-tone colorway, basically just 2 shades of gray. By the way, what I have here is the Mecha Gray variant with an embossed TUF logo at the center. Around the corners, we have some sort of notch that in theory could act as a protection should you choose to lay it upside down for some reason, or maybe it's just purely aesthetics. Either way, we have that here on this latest model. I also appreciate the fact that they kept the design of the LED indicators, which are visible regardless if the lid is closed or open. They also kept the lip on the lid, which also serves as an extra real estate for the webcam and the microphone array. Underneath, we have an ample amount of intake ventilation, a good amount of rubber feet for support, and the high-res Dolby Atmos stereo speakers. If you like a rugged yet minimal-looking gaming laptop, this is a very good candidate. Now, the second notable thing that I like about the 2024 Asus TUF Gaming A16 is the ample amount of ports. Looking at the left side, we have the charging port, an Ethernet port, an HDMI 2.1 port that supports up to 4K 120Hz external display, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C ports, one of which supports Power Delivery 3.0, which means you can charge this up using a capable power bank or a more compact power adapter. For your peripherals, we also have a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A port. We also have an audio combo jack and another USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A port on the other side. By the way, while we're here, we also have exhaust ventilations on each side, a Kensington lock slot on the right side, and a couple more exhaust ventilation at the back with some extra small ventilations at the center to top it all off. All in all, it has 4 exhaust ventilations with anti-dust filters and 5 heat pipes. The third thing that I appreciate about the 2024 Asus TUF Gaming A16, and this one is quite important to me, is the outstanding display. At first look, what I immediately appreciate is the impressive slim bezels that allow it to have a 90% screen-to-body ratio, and as I pointed out earlier, the lip that helps you open the lid using just one hand also serves as an extra real estate for the webcam and microphone array. Now, thanks to the combination of a lightweight display and strong hinges, you can pretty much prop the display at any angle that you want. As for the panel itself, we have a decently sized 16-inch WQXGA display. That's 2.5K resolution, or exactly 2560 by 1600 with a 16:10 aspect ratio. This means you have more vertical real estate. This display also has up to 165Hz refresh rate, 3 milliseconds response time, and NVIDIA G-Sync support. As for the display quality itself, after calibrating it using the Spider X Pro calibration tool, it proved to have a pretty decent color accuracy with at least 100% sRGB, 76% NTSC, 81% Adobe RGB, and 83% P3 color space coverage. That is decent enough for media consumption, social media content creation, and casual web applications. It also has a workable peak brightness of roughly around 397.7 nits, which is more than enough for indoor use. As you can tell, the image quality is really good, the colors are vibrant, and we have a decent contrast in details and respectable viewing angles. I don't think anyone will get disappointed by the image quality of this display, and I gotta say, editing videos on this is a thing of beauty. Speaking of content creation, the fourth thing that I like about the 2024 ASUS TUF Gaming A16 is of course its performance. With a powerful AMD Ryzen 9 7845HX processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070, 16GB of RAM, and 1TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD, performance is something you wouldn't have to worry about this laptop. It is capable enough to push frames on its 2.5K resolution display for gaming, and is also capable enough to do complex tasks and intensive applications like video editing. 4K editing is definitely possible with decent performance, and even though it may seem not much, but the extra vertical real estate of that 16:10 aspect ratio is definitely well appreciated here. You can also take advantage of some AI features, such as the latest AI generative fill in Photoshop, which is absolutely mind-blowing. Gone were the days when we had to use green screens or learn image manipulation to the highest degree. Now you can just simply type in your imagination and let the AI do the rest for you. By the way, it is worth noting that the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 on this laptop can pull up to 145 watts TGP compared to other gaming laptops in its price segment that can only pull 75 watts. That is 20% faster, which means even though they might be the same on paper, you'll get more with this laptop. Now for gaming, I got around 73 FPS in Cyberpunk 2077 at its default ray tracing low setting, which is pretty decent considering it's in 2.5K resolution. The gameplay is fairly smooth with acceptable graphics quality. Now I got more than 500 FPS in Valorant at high settings, and with a decent 165Hz refresh rate, the gaming experience is also quite nice. Though honestly, if I'm going to play competitive matches with this laptop, I'd rather connect this to a bigger external display. By the way, if you want to get the best performance with the least amount of latency, you can take advantage of the MUX switch via the ultimate setting in Armoury Crate to make sure you're using the discrete NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics directly instead of going through the integrated graphics. This is good for competitive FPS games like Valorant and CS2, which by the way I got around above 200 FPS at high settings. And man, playing an older graphics intensive title on this one, like the Total War Shogun 2, which by the way got me into thanks to Disney Plus Shogun series, is a pleasant experience. Smooth 100 plus FPS on this amazing and immersive strategy game. Now last but not the least, gaming and content creation is not the only use case of this gaming laptop. Of course, you can also take advantage of its highly capable hardware and software features for productivity and work. And what's more important than a good online communication experience, right? Luckily, the 2024 ASUS TUF Gaming A16 got you covered with its AI noise cancelling feature. Yes, that's the fifth and last thing that I appreciate with this laptop. Here's a quick test for you guys. Now in terms of the webcam and microphone quality, here's a quick test for you guys. So we have our HD webcam, and in terms of the microphone array, we're currently recording using the directional recording mode, which means it is recording in just one direction towards my face. But we do have two more options: the stereo enhanced mode, which records a wider soundscape using the left and right channels, and the 360 recording mode, which records from all directions of the laptop. Now we don't have the AI noise cancelling feature enabled just yet, so let's do that right about now. There you go. So microphone test 1, 2, 3, microphone test 1, 2, 3 with AI noise cancelling feature turned on. Let's quickly switch back to the standard mode. Microphone test 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And let me just quickly switch back to the AI noise cancelling feature so that you can have a better understanding of what I'm talking about. Now inside the AI noise cancelling feature, we have two modes, the single presenter mode and the multi-presenter mode. The single presenter mode records in one direction as well towards your face, while the multi-presenter mode records in different directions, just in case there are other people who are presenting using this laptop. Of course, this is good for online communication, whether it is for online learning, work from home environment, or even casual in-game communication. Now, let me know in the comments below what you think about the sound quality of the microphone array of the ASUS TUF Gaming A16, especially with the AI noise cancelling turned on and turned off. Now, let's get back to the full review. Aside from that, there are other notable features of this laptop that are worth mentioning, like the full-size keyboard with dedicated numpad, arrow keys, function rows, shortcuts, accent WASD keys, and we even have a separate power button. And of course, RGB lighting to top it all off. We also have a decently sized trackpad with a Cricut TUF logo, and of course, the high-res Dolby Atmos stereo speakers. Here's a quick sound test for you guys. There's a new bang for the buck 27-inch 1440p gaming monitor in town, and it is now more affordable than ever. I'm talking about the new ASUS TUF VG27AQ3A.
Yo, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, what am I doing? Did I do it right? Yeah, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, I can't think straight, need the light. I need to breathe, get me up and out of the sheets, onto my feet. Another cup of coffee and me, that's what I need. My eyes puffy, I can't see. I'm too tired to function, but too lost to sleep. Hey, I think I need to be.
Overall, the 2024 Asus TUF Gaming A16 features all the bare essentials you'll ever need from a gaming laptop without necessarily having to pay a flagship price tag. It has a good foundation when it comes to hardware specifications, backed with pretty reliable peripherals, and an outstanding display. The design and construction weren't a slouch too, and you wouldn't feel embarrassed lugging this around, whether it's in the cafe, library, or even at the office. And with a price tag of only around 117,995 Philippine pesos, it's even cheaper than its competitor's price at 120,000 and above, with comparable, if not better, overall specifications. Did I mention it'll come with 3 months free Xbox Game Pass and Asus 4A quality service warranty? Yeah, that's 2 years of international warranty with one-time preventive maintenance and one-time accidental protection for 1 year. So yeah, pretty good value, I would say. And there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Here's thanks to Asus for partnering with me to give you guys a quick look and features overview of the 2024 Asus TUF Gaming A16 gaming laptop. I'll put some links below if you're interested. Now, if you're looking for a bang-for-the-buck gaming monitor, check out my review of the Asus TUF VG27AQ3A by clicking this. Thank you for watching, subscribe if you appreciate this video, and see you next time. Have a great day, guys. You're awesome.